Hello, today I'm going to be sharing with you 7 healthy sandwich recipes for weight loss, so let's just jump right into it. First sandwich is peach, prosciutto and avocado sandwich. We're going to take 2 slices of bread and toast them as well as we can. Choose the right setting for your toaster specifically. And then we're going to scoop out our avocado flesh. We're going to have the avocado for that. And basically you're going to spread the avocado all over the toast, and then I'm going to get half a lime and just squeeze the lime juice all over it. And we're going to get some salt and sprinkle some of it plus black pepper. That's quite simple. And then I'm just going to get my prosciutto pack, get 2 slices out of it and put them on top of the toast. And then we're going to get 1 peach, thinly slice it, take your time and do it just right. And then we're going to add it on top of the toast. And all of that is going to be covered with a little bit of toast, and we're just going to cut it in half and eat it. It's an amazing sandwich, totally worth it. Now, this sandwich is fried egg, tomato and avocado sandwich. We're going to start by adding 1 teaspoon of olive oil to the frying pan, and then we're going to break in 1 large egg. We're gonna let it fry and then sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper. It's very delicious, just like that. And then I'm going to get avocado. We're going to use around 1/4 of a ripe avocado and scoop it out. Spread it on the toast as well as you can, and then break apart the lettuce leaves. I'm using romaine lettuce leaves, and cover the bread with it. Finally, we want to just take 1 tomato and basically slice it. We're just gonna need 1 slice of it, and we're going to put it on top of the lettuce, and then we're going to top it all up with our fried egg. That was so easy to make. And then we're just going to cover it with a piece of bread. That's kind of it. The bread is not toasted or anything. Easy peasy, high in protein, delicious. Now I'm introducing Greek avocado sandwich. To begin with, we're going to get 2 slices of bread and basically scoop out our avocado. We're going to use half a ripe avocado and spread it all over the slice of bread. And then we're going to get 1 tablespoon of basil pesto and spread it on the other slice of the bread. That's it. Then I'm going to get out roasted bell pepper out of the jar and place it on the bread that has avocado on it, and then layer it with cucumber slices, but first we're gonna have to actually slice them. And then we're gonna want to slice as thinly as possible our red onion and put it on top of cucumbers. All of that should be drizzled with a little bit of balsamic vinegar. And then finally we're just going to place the pesto slice on top of the sandwich with pesto side down. We're just gonna cut it in half and enjoy our sandwich, which is just amazing if you love Greek cuisine. Now try this boiled egg sandwich. We're going to start with getting 2 slices of bread and we're going to toast them. And then we're going to cover them with lettuce leaves. Then I'm going to take red onion and basically just slice it into thin slices. And then I'm going to get 1 boiled egg. And while I'm slicing boiled egg, please smash that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel for more content like that. Anyway, now we're going to add egg slices on top of the lettuce and red onions, and then top it all up with tomato slices. But first we're gonna have to cut the tomato into rings, and then drizzle a little bit of mustard all over it to give it just delicious flavor that you wanted. Cut the sandwich, it tastes amazing, it's very filling, it's a great lunch idea, to be honest. Oh yeah. The next recipe is spicy carrot and hummus sandwich. For that, we're gonna start with 1 large carrot, which we're gonna grate. Spend some time on it, we'll need it. Then we're going to get frying pan and actually add a little bit of olive oil, around half a tablespoon to it, and heat it up. Then add the carrots. And meanwhile, we want to make sure that we have 1 garlic clove that's thinly sliced, so slice it up and add it into the frying pan as well. And then we're gonna want to add red chili pepper flakes. I'm using around a pinch of it, but you can use more if you want. And then we're going to sprinkle some salt and pepper. You're just gonna want to stir it in and make sure to cook it for around 4 minutes until the carrot is softened up. Trust me, you're gonna love this, it's so delicious. Then we're going to want to get our hummus and spread it all over the piece of bread and add carrot mixture on top of it, and then we're just gonna top it all up with some cilantro. This is an amazing combination that you're gonna love, and this is vegan friendly recipe if you keep your bread vegan. Now try this white bean and avocado sandwich. We're going to start by getting 1 can of white beans that are rinsed and drained, and we're going to get them in a glass bowl. And then I'm just going to add olive oil. I'm using around 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and then splashing a little bit of lemon juice. I'm just squeezing that lemon juice out. Now get your fork and start mashing it until it's one smooth texture. It's gonna take some time. You can use other tools too, but give it some passion. And then all I'm going to do is spread the toast with the mash. Then we're gonna want to get 1/4 of a small red onion and thinly slice it. And we're going to put it on top of the bread. And then we're going to want to get 6 cucumber slices. So just slice your cucumber and top that up too. Then we're going to get half an avocado and thinly slice it. Obviously we're going to put that on the toast as well. And then cover all of that with arugula. We're going to want to place a piece of toasted bread on top and basically just slice it in half. This is your lovely, delicious toast. Enjoy! Now the last but not least is chicken avocado sandwich. We're going to get 2 slices of bread and just get our avocado. We're going to use 1/4 of a ripe avocado, scoop out the flesh and basically spread it all over the slice of bread. Should be delicious. And then we're going to add our slices of tomato, but first we're gonna want to slice the tomato, and we're gonna get 2 slices. And then we're going to top it up with chicken. I'm using 3 ounces of cooked boneless, skinless chicken breast that's sliced and easy to use. You can just get it in your supermarket, super easy. It's plain, but it works beautifully with this recipe. Finally, top it all up with a slice of bread, cut it in half, and enjoy the taste of your sandwich. That's just so easy to make. You can pack it up for lunch, bring to work, just enjoy. Now, if you like these recipes, please subscribe to this channel. It helps a lot. I continue making these videos and I'll just suggest more recipes to you really, so subscribe and get more recipes like that. Simple transaction. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you loved these sandwiches. Which one was your favorite? Comment below. Tell me what it is. Anyway, bye-bye. Take care.